class A3 section. Today I tell about Sankranti festival. Sankranti is very biggest festival in India. Sankranti makes in thousands of the year because it's celebrated of the year. And how to the call some states of India. Tamil Nadu is called the Pongal in Sankranti. Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, these two states we call the Sankranti and Pedda Panduga. And Punjab is called the Lohri, and the different states and different names of this Sankranti. And this festival celebrated in 3 days. Bogi is the day one of the Sankranti celebrations. The Bogi celebrated by bonfire and decoration the home and flowers and leaves and make some of the food items, traditional food items like Pongal. And day 2 of the Sankranti celebrations is Sankranti. And Sankranti celebrated by flying kites and sharing traditional sweets to friends and family. And day 3 is the Kanuma is the day 3 of the Sankranti celebrations. Kanuma celebrated by the day 2 the honor and worship the god. And this is the total Sankranti celebrations. Thank you for coming.